Live from Austin, Texas, DevOps Days 2014. Arup Chakrabarti, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks. So you are with PagerDuty.
Yep. So I head up our operations engineering team over at PagerDuty.
Very cool. So if people haven't heard of you all, what all do you do?
So at a very high level, PagerDuty, our goal is to bridge all of your existing monitoring tools and alerting solutions to the people that actually resolve the problems. So we provide really an incident tracking and service management service, and we do that via multiple ways. So we provide on-call scheduling, escalation abilities, and we alert people via SMS, email, phone, and push notifications.
Cool. Now, I know during your talk you just gave a little while ago, there's a whole bunch of partners you work with, Sumo Logic, Datadog, blah, blah, blah.
Yeah.
How do you I think New Relic as well?
New Relic as well, yep.
Yeah, and how do you patch in with those, or how does your architecture work with them?
Sure. So the way that, so for the guys that I talked about today, we actually have really deep integrations with these partners. And so in Datadog, for example, as you're setting up alerts, you can actually say, send this event to PagerDuty, and then we'll take care of the notification aspect of the incident. Same thing with Sumo Logic as well. You can trigger an email from there, and then from there, it can send to PagerDuty, and we can take care of the notification piece as well. Same with New Relic. But really, anything that sends out an email or can make an HTTPS request, we can integrate with.
So just to wind the clock back, where did PagerDuty come out of? What was sort of the thought? Was it somebody who said, hey, I'm sick of not knowing when my servers go down in a timely manner, or?
Yeah, so for a little bit of context, so our three founders actually are all from Amazon, and so when you show up at Amazon, this is a little while, still don't use the pagers, but you were given a laptop and you were given a pager as well, with the expectation that every engineer was on call at the company. And so then later, our founders, Alex, Bhaskar, and Andrew, they realized that this was a pain that a lot of people have across the entire software industry, managing incidents, managing notifications, managing on-call schedules, and all these tools that really bigger companies like Amazon, Google have built out internally, but we believe that this is something that everyone needs to be able to do well, really incident management. And so that's where the inspiration from PagerDuty came from, was that we realized that these larger companies have built out all these custom solutions for their own stacks, but it's something that is really important to almost any software company, especially that there's now more and more SaaS companies coming around.
And what would be your secret sauce that sort of sets you apart, or what's the key learnings that you guys are?
So I think the biggest thing that sets us apart is the reliability of our service. It's something that we really do take very, very seriously. And we accomplish that in a multitude of ways, but really for us it's distribution. It's about distributed services, using multiple providers, making sure everything's highly available, using technologies that make sense for highly available systems. On top of that, I think from an integration standpoint, we've done a great job of partnering with just some terrific partners. Some who are at the conference here, making sure that our customers can easily connect all these tools into PagerDuty effectively, and so they don't have to do much configuration or write too much code on their own.
Cool. And just to end with, what can we look forward to seeing in PagerDuty in the next year that's not top secret you can tell us about?
Oh gosh, roadmap stuff?
Or functionality, or just sort of big goals or whatever?
Big goals. Well, we just released some of our bigger features in terms of group alerting, multi-user alerting, the ability to alert multiple people at once, as well as some smaller things like making sure that people are given a heads up when they're on call. We're going to be making enhancements to these features, so we've got a lot of positive customer feedback, and we're only going to make these things better over the next couple months. We're going to be making our reporting infrastructure a lot better, so it's going to be for our enterprise customers especially. They've been asking for this for a while. It's going to be much more useful, much more actionable. Beyond that, I can't give away too much, but if you sign an NDA with us, we'll gladly tell you a little bit more.
Awesome. Arup Chakrabarti, thank you.
Thank you.